Hello, thank you so much for joining me here today. I really appreciate your time. I just have a few questions for you. Are you ready?
I am.
Fantastic. Can you share with us how your experience was like with your sales manager?
Well, she was pretty efficient. Everything went real smooth through the whole installation process.
Fantastic. And if you had any questions along the way or any concerns, was Green Home Systems able to answer those questions for you?
Well, usually she could answer the questions, but if she couldn't, she found somebody who did.
Fantastic. Now share with us how your installation process went from start to finish.
Well, the product was delivered on 2 pallets. They unloaded the pallets, put them onto the roof, installed them on the roof, and then installed all the wiring and everything, hooked all that up.
Fantastic. And would you say it was a seamless and easy experience?
I think so. I didn't really have any problems with it.
That's great. And why did you choose Green Home Systems as your solar option?
Well, I had tried 3 other companies, and they were all actually quite a bit higher than the Green Home Systems. And so I checked everything that the Green Home would supply and everything, and it just seemed to be right.
Great. Now, last question for you. Would you recommend your neighbors or close friends, family members to go with Green Home Systems?
Well, I think so, depending on their needs.
Great. Amazing. Well, thank you so much for your feedback today, sir. We definitely appreciate your time.
Hey, thank you.